Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking political campaign Facebook post by yourself. Creating a post in Canva is really easy. And the best part is that you don't have to create a post from scratch or start with a blank page. You just need to choose a template you like, modify and customize it, and your post will be ready within a few minutes. Go to the search bar in Canva and type Political Campaign Facebook Post. We are creating a post for Facebook, which is why we are searching for a Facebook post. If you want to create one for Instagram, you can type Instagram. Here are the Canva templates. To explore all the available options, click on See All. Now you can see that many political templates are available, and you can choose whichever one you like. For now, I will go with this one, or perhaps this one. This one looks good. This one is a pro template, but you can choose a free version. Just click on Customize this template. And now you can see that I have full access. I can customize or modify whatever I want. Starting with the text, click on Text. If you want to add or remove text, you can do it like this. For more features, these are the available options. If you want to change the font, you can change it. And if you want to resize your text, you can resize it. If you want to change the color of your text, you can simply change the color of your text. If you want to make it bold, italic, underlined, or strike through, like this, you can try all the features for customizing your text. Now, moving on to the background. This is the background. Right now, it is an image. If you want to replace this image background with your own, go to Uploads, upload an image background from your PC, and your image will appear here. For now, I will replace this image with this one. I'll just drag and drop it like this. Now you can see that this is the new background I have added. Another way to do this is to click on the background and then press Delete. You can simply delete it, and now the background is plain. If you want to change the color of your background to another plain color, just click on Color. And now you can add a plain background like this. So now let's move on to replacing this image. So for your information, if you don't have a pro version and are using the free version of Canva, then to replace this type of image, which has no background, you need to upload an image that also has no background to replace it. So I will show you an example. So for example, I have uploaded this image, which has no background. So like this, I will just drag and drop it, and my image will replace the template image. But if I upload an image that has a background, then it will appear like this. So make sure that you upload an image with no background. You can remove the background using another website, but make sure that the image you upload has no background for this type of replacement. You can adjust it like this, and also like this. You can simply drag and drop it, and you can also flip it. For editing images, these are the features available to you. You can try these features if you want, and like this, In the same way, you can add your own details, icons, or elements. You can add your own information, contact details, image, background, everything. Once you are satisfied with your modifications and customization of the template, rename your file, go to Share, and select Download. Then download it in PNG or any other format you need. Just download it, and you are ready to post your political campaign Facebook post created in Canva. You can just upload your political campaign post to Facebook. It was created by you within just a few minutes. Thank you for watching.